Done for you property deal sourcing. This is a presentation from Alpus Group by Alan Edwards. I'm Chartered Construction Manager, Project Director, and founder of Alpus Group. Finding good property deals is the biggest hurdle investors face. It's not funding strategy or knowledge, but actually finding the right deals. It's the gap between what you know and what you do. Why most investors struggle. The obstacles are real, but they are doable with the right approach. Analysis paralysis, overwhelmed by thousands of listings. Rightmove on the market, Zoopla, all of the deals in there. It takes hours to work through each of the deals in the area that you're interested in. And then secondly, poor deal quality. Many opportunities just don't stack up. What is presented as a deal isn't necessarily a deal. And thirdly, time-consuming searches with little or no result. We've all been there. We know that these are the problems that you get. So property wealth is created when you buy, but not only when you buy at any price, it's when you buy at the right price. So you need to buy below market value, which is essentially creating capital for you when you buy. So the right acquisition solves future problems. The wrong ones creates problems. So you buy at the wrong price and you're saving up problems for yourself. Every decision starts at the buying price. So what is deal sourcing? It's a professional process of identifying, analyzing, and securing the right investment opportunities. So you don't have to. So you get somebody to do the deal sourcing on your behalf. So a professional who identifies genuine investment grade opportunities, saves investors hundreds of hours of searching, saves you hundreds of hours of searching, and focuses on real potential, not just listings. So why Alpus Group created this service? We've got years of experience in property investment and in development. We've got a desire to share professional level opportunities, which we do through our community, Alpus Group and friends. And we've got access to many residential, commercial, and other mixed-use properties all over the country. And we've got more deals than we can actually develop ourselves. So we're quite happy to make those deals available to investors who are interested in securing the best deals available in the country. The technology we use Property Filter. It's an efficient professional property analysis tool. It analyzes thousands of properties quickly to find the hidden gems. You need to set the right filters, and you can actually find the right deals in the area that you're looking for. There are millions of properties on the market, and we use Property Filter to identify those deals that are presented by motivated sellers. So we track the purchase prices as advertised, whether deals have fallen through, and if properties are for sale and to rent, which indicates that someone is motivated to sell, but because they can't sell, they're prepared to rent in the interim. So finding motivated sellers, identifying sellers ready to negotiate creates powerful opportunities. So we don't waste time on the sellers who are not motivated to sell quickly. We're looking for those properties and those sellers who own those properties that are prepared to sell at a realistic price, which is below market value for a quick sale. Beyond property portals, we look at the analysis, look at the market in analysis of properties that are available, the demand for different types of property. So we'll look at demand for houses multiple occupation. We'll look at demand for serviced accommodation in different areas, and we'll see what are the most suitable properties for those strategies. We also do something called specialised supported housing. So we take either residential development sites or commercial buildings, and we'll convert them to specialised supported housing purpose. So what our Done For You service includes, we offer to find a suitable property for you to your specification up to £300,000 anywhere in the UK, and we do that for a all-in price of 4,997 plus VAT. So we'll identify opportunities, we analyse the investment potential, we'll give you our analysis of the property when we actually present you the deal. So we save you hours of looking on Rightmove, on the market, or Zoopla, and our professional deal sources actually do this searching for you, and they come up with the right deals. Buy-to-let, it's not the best strategy unless you're doing this in a company, but there are a lot of buy-to-let landlords who are selling up, and therefore, because they're motivated to sell as a result of the Renters' Rights Act, these present opportunities to purchase properties at below market value. So it just depends on how motivated the portfolio landlord is. But we have contacts with portfolio landlords, and we also are able to find these opportunities off market as well in some cases. HMOs, this is a popular strategy, and it can provide enhanced cash flow with careful management. However, the key to this is getting a high-end HMO, a professional HMO, because otherwise the other HMOs tend to not give the profitability that they used to give as a result of increased costs. And you have to also be careful with the Renters' Rights Act, tenants' rights as well. Commercial conversions, we have a lot of these. Some of them we're developing ourselves, and we have other sites that are available for you to purchase. These tend to be higher value, but you can get them below £300,000. So if you want to speak to us about requiring us to find a commercial conversion in a particular area, then give us a call, and we'll find something either for you at 4,997. That's up to £300,000, or we'll give you a bespoke quotation of what the commercial conversion cost will be to procure you a site. Creating value by developing sites. We're also in the process of developing sites for specialised supported housing in particular, and we've got sites in different parts of the country that we have in process, legal process, and construction. And if you have a suitable site, we may be interested to acquire that site from you. So talk to us, and we'll see what the possibilities are for the site that you have. Specialised supported housing is housing of vulnerable and disabled people in purpose-built long-term accommodation, and it's basically government-backed scheme where the local authority is obliged to house these vulnerable and disabled people, and we're actively developing these properties throughout the country. We've got some sites in Cornwall, in Wiltshire, in Yorkshire, and others in different stages of procurement. But if you have a site suitable for development of 6 to 10 residential units, that's either flats or bungalows, The flats have to be 45 square meters area. The bungalows must be 60 square meters area. Then we'd be interested to talk to you. What we're all about is value creation, not speculation. So we have a lot of expertise in our team. We've got dedicated deal sources, and we present you the best of what our experience can present you as viable, feasible deals. So the three pillars of Alpus Group are investment, where we identify and acquire excellent value deals, development, where we create value through project management and development of the properties, and education, where we empower investors with knowledge. And we align ourselves with Property Investors Network because we think they're the best education provider in the market. And if you talk to our team, we can tell you what courses are available through Property Investors Network. Experience identifies risks before they become problems. So having been involved in property investment and development over many years, I've seen a lot of problems develop, and I know what sort of thing to avoid. Obviously, the market changes, so I don't profess to know everything or to have experienced everything, but the experience helps, and we've also got an experienced team behind us who have a lot of serviced accommodation, holiday let experience, as well as deal sourcing as well. If you want to build a portfolio, then we can actually do you a bespoke portfolio building proposal, and we can actually procure all the right sort of properties for you. If you're specialising in holiday lets, we can actually identify the right areas and the right processes to get you the portfolio that you want. Who's this service for? It's for investors starting their property journey or busy professionals with limited time to search. It's for overseas investors who need local expertise. So we're in touch with landlords, business owners, and portfolio holders, and we can help you to build a suitable portfolio using our deal finding service. What happens next? Just book a conversation with me, Alan, at Alpus Group. My contact details are 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. Or you can book a call at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. So this is the done-for-you service that we offer, 4997. We do the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. We identify and evaluate the right opportunities. We give you a full investment analysis and risk assessment, and we guide your investment journey. So we can give you access to houses of multiple occupation, buy-to-lets, commercial buildings, even specialised supported housing deals. We give you a full professional support from sourcing to acquisition. If you're limited for funds, we can offer a done-with-you service at 1997, where you attend our weekly deal sessions, and we guide you about how to find the right deals. We suggest that you use Property Filter, but it's not essential. And essentially, we'll help you to get started with your own deal finding.